Looking to supercharge your Dell OptiPlex 7050, 5055, 5050, or 3050? Look no further than the ATEC 32GB RAM kit. With 2x16GB modules, this DDR4 2400 MHz RAM upgrade promises to take your system's performance to new heights. Whether you're a power user, a multitasker, or a gamer, this RAM kit aims to boost loading speeds and handle multitasking with ease. What's impressive is its compatibility range. It's designed for select Intel 7th Gen Core i3 i5 i7, 6th Gen Core i3 i5 i7, Pentium, Celeron, and AMD Ryzen 3 57 Pro, A6, A8, A10, A12 series APU, Athlon Pro processors CPU. This means whether you're running Intel or AMD, this RAM kit has got you covered. Installation is a breeze, and with its non-ECC unbuffered design and dual-rank configuration, you're getting reliability and performance in one package. Plus, with ATEC's limited lifetime warranty and US-based tech support team, you can purchase with confidence knowing help is available whenever you need it. If you're looking to maximize your Dell OptiPlex's potential, the ATEC 32GB RAM kit is definitely worth considering. Boost your system's speed, enhance multitasking, and unlock new possibilities with this upgrade. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.